Okay.
That's why sabi ko sa'yo, even OFWs, kung nahandoon sila sa Saudi Arabia, yung ganun, mag-create sila mobile site, i-upload nila yung video nila or documents, yung mga kamag-anak nila rito can download it.
How does it function? Like email, like Yahoo Messenger, wherein you give me your email address or you have an ID and
No, well, it's the domain name of the mobile site. Like in my case, from the phone, you can access my mobile site by www.mobilemmo.com/cbc. Put that in your phone and you can access my mobile site.
Okay. So merong parang ano,
Parang website. There's a domain. There's a domain name.
Okay. For 3G phone, yung mobile internet, I guess this is a question of for 3G phone, yung mobile internet, not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Basta WAP-enabled, pwede na.
Yeah, ibig sabihin, 2.5G pwede. Yung what they call GPRS, pwede.
Okay.
Oo. Ang 3G kasi is mas faster, mas mabilis. Pero miski na 2.5G lang, pwede ma-access ang mobile internet. Of course, it's a bit slower, no?
Okay. Jean P. Tanong ko lang kung pwede ang my phone, cellphone, lagyan ng internet. From Manila, thanks. Ano to? Tanong ko lang kung pwede ang my phone. My phone, I guess, is a brand. No?
My phone, yung I think owned by the same group. No?
My phone, cellphone, pwede.
Meron yan. I think they should have. It's a very new phone.
Right.
So all new phones are WAP enabled.
Okay. So, by the way, if I were you and you want to, definitely we'll have more questions. Like Toti and I have been talking about this for quite some time and marami pa rin akong questions, no? Just remember the website. Again, I repeat, it's www.mobilemmo.com. Okay? I'm sure meron mga FAQs doon, no? Frequently asked questions. And if you have any questions, I'm sure you can get in touch with, what do you call the people, the tech support of the website, who can guide you on a step-by-step procedure on how to get your mobile internet site up. Okay? And again, libre ito, by the way, walang bayad ito. But for commercial establishments like if you're an airline or if you're a big chain of hotels or a chain of restaurants and you'd like to put a lot of information there, then it's a whopping 500 pesos a year. 500 pesos a year. No? I mean, we're talking about, in other words, it doesn't go higher than that.
No, it doesn't go higher than that.
Doesn't go. So whether it's you get the top 50 biggest corporations in the Philippines, they'll be paying you 500 pesos a year.
Yeah, it's about $10 a year, or less than 500 pesos.
Okay, so that's and if you're an individual, libre. I guess if you're familiar with the internet, just the way you can open an account in Gmail, you can open an account in Yahoo, Hotmail, and it's free, di ba? Pero pag gagawa ka na ng medyo website na you need a lot of information in, then you pay something. No, you pay something, you pay a premium for that. Okay. Meron po bang charge? Thank you. Kasasabi ko lang, walang charge. Wala pong charge. And walang charge if you want to put up your mobile site, your mobile site. And again, ang advantages is anybody with a cell phone anywhere in the world, okay? You have friends, you have relatives, OFW, whatever, if they're traveling, anywhere in the world, basta meron silang telephone, they can access it.
Sure.
Okay, and if you have to access it, etong bayad, to set up your website, to your internet, your mobile site, walang bayad. Ang may bayad, if you're accessing the website and you're putting in information, getting information from an outside source, yan ang may bayad.
No, ang may bayad yung mag-a-access. Magbabayad sila sa telephone company, di ba?
Okay.
Yung 5 pesos for 15 minutes. That's all. Wala nang iba.
Okay. So it's 5 pesos for 15 minutes. In other words, it's 20 pesos an hour. And I think yung mga iba, I mean, they really go by the second, no?
In fact, yung mga iba, some phones are Wi-Fi enabled. So, you don't even have to pay the telco. Basta you are